Welcome to today's video where I will be sharing with you a step-by-step guide to making the perfect spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs is a classic Italian dish that is loved by many. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a delicious and satisfying meal that your family and friends will love. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the meatballs. To start, you'll need to prepare the meatballs. In a large bowl, mix together 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Use your hands to mix everything together until well combined. Then, form the mixture into meatballs about the size of a golf ball. Step 2. Cook the meatballs. Next, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the meatballs to the pan, making sure to leave enough space between them so they cook evenly. Cook the meatballs for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are browned on all sides and cooked through. Step 3. Cook the spaghetti. While the meatballs are cooking, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it in a colander. Step 4. Make the sauce. In a separate saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves, and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the onion is soft and translucent. Add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Simmer the sauce for about 10 minutes, or until it thickens. Step 5. Combine everything. Once the meatballs are cooked, add them to the tomato sauce and stir to combine. Then, add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce and toss everything together until the spaghetti is coated in the sauce. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy. Divide the spaghetti and meatballs among 4 plates, garnish with chopped fresh parsley or basil, and serve with additional Parmesan cheese on top. And there you have it, a delicious and satisfying meal that's sure to be a hit with everyone. Conclusion. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in making the perfect spaghetti and meatballs. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process, and feel free to experiment with different ingredients and flavors to make the dish your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.